All right, everybody, here we are in the back of 2013 GLK350 again. Going to replace the fuel filter and sending unit, which is right there. You really ought to, I've gotten to this point right here because the other part's kind of self-explanatory. It's not a big deal to get access to it. You just lift up the seat. We'll actually post a second video when I'm putting back together to show you what that process is. But once it's off, it's actually best to scan that right there, take a picture of it, and get the actual number of your sending unit. Because as I was looking through, I found several different numbers on there. So just to make sure, it's best to go ahead and just remove the seat and remove the access cover, which is right there, just held in by 4 screws. Take it out, and there's your number right there. Make sure you order the exact part on there. There are slight differences in them. All right, so now basically the process of taking it off, okay, was getting these flanges off, which sit right on top there. I ordered this tool off of Amazon. It's a 3-prong ring tool for a fuel tank. I can tell you right now that if I had gotten the 2-prong, it would not have been stable enough. This was barely holding up. As you can see, one of the teeth, even after being tightened down, came off. So I could not find anywhere a specific tool that was made for this. Every one of the tools that I found appeared to be for different other types of rings, even though they were stated to be for Mercedes. They had more teeth. As you can see on these rings, there's 7 notches on there, so they're not even, so you can't get one that has a cross on it because the degrees aren't even to come out 90 degrees each. So that was the best I could do right there. I'll probably continue looking and see if there's actually a part that is a tool that is so specifically for this, because like I said, it was still a pain in the butt to get that off with that. So basically here we have the actual pump here, and these 2 hoses right here connect from the other side. Here's the new sending unit. Okay, basically what you do is just lift that sending unit up. These plastic hoses will just route right through here. Shouldn't be any problem sending it through. It's open under there. Come right there. We'll just disconnect these here, pull that out, put the new unit in, connect them back, and basically it's just put everything back together. It's really not a difficult job. It's just getting the right part. As I said, if you take the cover off and get your actual part number, order the correct part on there, and then getting a tool to actually get the rings off of there that hold it in place. Other than that, pretty easy job. Shouldn't take very long. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this at this point. I'm by myself, so I won't have my hands free. But as soon as I get to the point where, like I said, I'm just going to disconnect these hoses right here while we're off. They actually are pretty easy. There's just a pinch there, comes off. The other hose just actually pulls off, just held in place by these 2 little clips here. Not a big deal. You don't need any special tools to do this, so other than the ring tool. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll come back once I've got it back in place and just show you what it looks like then, and then we'll just start basically reassembling it. I'll post another video separately that will show taking the back seat off. It's really easy. Actually, I will show you now. You just need to get in front of the seat. Just push your front seats as forward as you can. If you just grab the seat underneath right here, just give it a good pull, they come right up. Now they just won't pull out after that. You actually have these 2 tabs right here that are right near the door. Okay, they actually have a little lip in there where it catches in there. Okay, all you do is get in front of the seat right here and just push back. When you push back, just kind of lift up a little. You'll feel when it's given. At that point, the seat just comes right up. You are able to do one side at a time. You don't have to do them both at the same time. Just once it lifts up, just kind of leave it lifted up a little bit. Go to the other side, same thing. See, it comes right out. It's not difficult. It just seems like it doesn't want to come out. Just yank on it. It's fine, and you won't tear it up. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and stop this video here. I'm going to go ahead and actually disconnect and put the new one in there, route it across. And like I said, I'll post another video to just show you what it looks like afterwards. All right.